Hello, my name is Marla Means, and this tutorial will guide you through the path to requesting library instruction from KSU as GHC faculty and staff. Before you place a library instruction request, here are some things you need to know. You must make your request 21 days in advance. You need a research assignment associated with the library instruction, and the KSU librarians prefer a copy to be sent to them before the instruction. Finally, your students will access resources using their KSU Net ID login. Once you are ready to submit a request, simply visit library.kennesaw.edu, click on the Services drop-down menu in the top left-hand side of the page to expand your options. Click on the first option, Faculty Services. Click on the Undergraduate and Graduate Instruction drop-down menu in the top middle of the page to expand your options. Then, read through the 3 options of library instruction to determine which services best match your students' needs. Your options are 30-minute library services by major, 60-minute introductory research, and 60-minute advanced research. Click Schedule Undergraduate Workshops to choose a day and time and to complete their form. Please note that the KSU librarians need to know your workshop services preference, the building number of your classroom, and whether or not your classroom has student computers. Finally, click Submit My Booking, and a KSU librarian should contact you shortly. Thank you.